While most of the world still relies on water to fight fires, China is using rocket launchers, swarms of sky-high drones, and even robotic firefighting armies. With these incredible technologies, China has taken firefighting to a whole new level. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 of China's most advanced firefighting technologies that have amazed people around the world. While most countries still rush to fires with trucks carrying thousands of gallons of water, China is sending out fleets of high-tech firefighting drones instead. It may sound impossible, but a single one of these powerful drones can deliver firefighting performance equal to nearly 10 traditional fire trucks. Imagine a fire breaking out on the 50th floor of a skyscraper. Reaching that height is an enormous challenge for conventional firefighters. But for these Chinese drones, it's just another mission. They can hover right next to tall buildings and attack the flames with incredible precision. If the windows are closed, the drones launch special chemical projectiles that smash through the glass, fly inside the building, and automatically release fire-suppressing chemicals. Within seconds, the chemicals cut off the fire's oxygen supply and stop the flames from spreading. Whether it's a remote forest, a residential neighborhood, or a crowded city, these drones are designed to operate in almost any environment. Even in situations where thousands of gallons of water can't stop the fire, the drones drop specially designed chemical grenades from above. The results are astonishing. The moment these grenades hit the flames, even massive fires can be brought under control in as little as 10 seconds. This isn't science fiction. This is China's next-generation firefighting technology. Wildfires are among the most destructive natural disasters on Earth. Sometimes, all it takes is dry branches rubbing together to ignite a massive blaze. Once the fire spreads for miles, controlling it becomes nearly impossible for ground firefighters. To solve this challenge, China has developed one of its most advanced aerial firefighting aircraft. The most impressive feature is that these giant aircraft don't have to land at an airport every time they need more water. Instead, they fly directly over a nearby river, lake, or the ocean. Without landing, they skim across the surface of the water and collect nearly 3,000 gallons in just 20 seconds. As soon as the tanks are full, the aircraft race toward the wildfire at high speed. Then, within only 4 to 5 seconds, they release all 3,000 gallons directly onto the flames. The massive impact instantly reduces the fire's oxygen supply and helps stop the blaze from spreading. While thousands of firefighters may spend weeks trying to control a wildfire, these aerial firefighting aircraft can cool down huge areas after only a few missions. China's firefighting technology has become a remarkable example of modern engineering. When a fire breaks out inside a chemical plant or large industrial facility, the situation can quickly become too dangerous for human firefighters. Toxic gases, chemical explosions, and extreme heat make every second life-threatening. To handle these dangerous situations, China has developed a team of advanced firefighting robots. Although they are compact, their capabilities are incredibly powerful. Operators can control them remotely while they spray high-pressure water or fire-suppressing foam directly onto the flames. China has also developed robotic firefighting dogs. These high-tech machines can run through narrow passages, collapsed structures, and rough terrain to reach the source of the fire. One of their most impressive features is the powerful nozzle mounted on the front. It sprays specialized water or gas at high speed, rapidly reducing the oxygen around the fire and helping extinguish it. In some of the world's most dangerous industrial environments, China's robotic firefighting units demonstrate how technology is replacing humans in high-risk rescue operations. Unlike ordinary fire trucks built for city streets, this massive vehicle was designed specifically for aircraft emergencies at airports. Its performance is incredible. It can accelerate from 0 to 50 miles per hour in only 14 seconds. Its advanced hydraulic piercing arm is powerful enough to punch through the thick metal body of an aircraft. Once inside, it sprays fire-suppressing agents directly into the burning cabin, helping firefighters control the fire much faster. When it comes to protecting expensive aircraft and saving hundreds of lives, few firefighting vehicles are as capable as this one. The Magaris Firebowl is far more than an ordinary fire truck. It was built for places where regular vehicles simply can't go. Whether it's steep mountain slopes, dense forests, or rough off-road terrain, its heavy-duty crawler tracks allow it to keep moving. One of its most impressive features is its powerful turbine system. Instead of spraying ordinary streams of water, it turns water into millions of tiny mist particles and blasts them into the fire. The fine mist quickly reduces the oxygen around the flames, allowing even intense fires to be brought under control within moments.